first speech, Icebreaker. If those of you who don't know, he started his career delivering milk. He was a milkman. And today I'm told he's got his own farm, and he sits down on weekends, and I think that's the spirit of achievement on what he's gone through, and he believes, like most of us, Toastmasters has actually transformed our lives. So we will move on to the next speaker. I think Vijay, I think all these speeches, if you see today, when you speak about yourself, you speak about your own story, I think that's where is the magnet, is where you can pull the audience. So let me call upon Omakant to give us, Arun, John, Matthias, give us the feedback.
I see a lot of similarities between Abraham Lincoln and Vijay Anand. Because all of us have read about how Abraham Lincoln failed in business, failed as a lawyer, failed in so many things in life, and then finally, last life, became President of the United States of America. So, in addition to the number of names of girls whom Vijay has unsuccessfully wooed, I have heard many of his speeches, so I know. We can add the names of Anju, Stella, and Mamta. Mr. General Evaluator, fellow Toastmasters and guests, it is really difficult to evaluate a 15-minute speech in 2 to 3 minutes. It's easy because there aren't any tough things to say or any feedback to give, and it is difficult because there are so many good things to share. So let me start with a few things. Though it was an entertaining speech, it was very well organized. There was an opening, body, and a conclusion. It was very well defined, and it met the objectives of the project. I'm not going to repeat it for want of time. It was very well personalized and customized. So on the fly, there were a lot of changes. So though Vijay had prepared very well, he had the presence of mind to integrate Sumitra's speech into his presentation. And I think that's the hallmark of a good, want-to-be stand-up comedian. There was an awesome play of words. The timing of the body language was excellent. The pauses were immaculate. Everything was beautiful. The abbreviations D and A did not get aggregate is one thing that I'm going to add to my joke collection. I will give you credit for that. The punchlines take the cake. Those girls had little girls. And I'm not going to call you Anna. Vijay, if I were to give you one suggestion, we've heard a lot of how you failed. We'd love to hear of how you succeeded. Right? So in a speech, maybe if you could share with us the story of how you eventually wooed and won over the one who you went on to marry, that would be great. However, please do not include that speech as part of the professional speaker's manual, because the speeches which are to follow are not so very conducive for that topic. For example, sales training speech. You could try this project, a motivational speech. Thank you very much for keeping us engaged, entertained, and occupied. Wish you all the very best as you go on.